Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create Telegram account. So guys, let's continue into your Telegram app. So guys, at first click on start messaging. Click on continue. Click on allow. Then in the first box you have to enter your country code from the country that you belong to. So select your country here. I am selecting my country. Now in the second box you have to enter your number. After entering your number, click on next. Click on continue. Click on allow. Now they will send an SMS with an activation code and the code will be set here automatically. And the first box you will give your first name and in the second box you will give your last name. So I am entering my name. And guys, also if you want to provide a photo, then you can select a photo in the profile info. Or you can also skip it if you don't want to. And after completing all this, click on next. So guys, that's it. That's how you can create Telegram account very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.